Plus, Emmy dresses for 95% less.
$370.
Blake, Mariska, and Drew smoking Emmy dresses. How you can steal the looks for way less. I'm talking 95% off.
$440.
Coming up, steal Blake Lively's Emmy look for under $400, plus our Emmy gift bag giveaway. It's got clothes, jewelry, and a trip to Turks and Caicos. All right, Lauren, let's talk Emmy fashion.
Yeah, let's do. You know what? Our extra friends have spoken, and their pick for best dressed houses Olivia Wilde.
Great choice. That's actually a repeat because she was best dressed at the Golden Globes, too. I thought she looked beautiful, but I was also a big fan of Blake Lively.
Oh, my gosh, she looked absolutely amazing. So, you know what we did? We went out to find the best replicas, and we found them for 95% less.
And by the way, I love this photo of you from the Emmys. Check it out.
Oh.
That's a good one.
I was trying to keep cool. There was a fan there.
Sure you were.
That's what it was, Marv.
4 red carpet hits, 4 looks for less at New York's Union Square Ballroom.
Drew Barrymore looked beautiful in her Monique Boulet dress. It would set you back about $10,000.
This lookalike from Giovanni, $440. Even Kristen Chenoweth's daring mirrored mini is up for interpretation. Kristen Zaher-Murad, more than 15 grand.
But look at this dress from Giovanni. It's only $450. Blake Lively, well, what can you say? Wow.
Make that an $8,000 wow from Versace. Giovanni's take, $370. Love the train on Mariska Hargitay's $3,300 metallic stunner from Carolina Herrera. eDressMe.com does it for $410. Red Carpet Sunday, your closet today.